we've been receiving, but nothing gets out. We've got years of messages stored.
Cooper.
Messages span 23 years.
Play it from the beginning.
Okay, Google, what does a shrimp sound like? Eee!
The first time I saw it, I couldn't believe it. I mean, it was like the fauna was completely different than anything I'd seen before. When you get 8 or 10 species all in a small pool, still coexisting, and they're all shrimp or crabs.
I'm small, okay?
Oh, no.
I'm really, really small.
Poor little guy.
Y'all wanna go get some burgers?
Come here, just come here. Come here, all of you. Look, it's not about all. But what they do deserve is crispy skin. It's not even pink, it's raw.